Hey, what up, everybody? Ian here, and we got a package. So, this came from the mail. I ordered this through Lazada, and again, no introduction. This phone is really hyped right now. So, this is the Poco F3 phone, and unfortunately, I'm seeing a lot of horror stories with ordering these through Lazada. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Poco F3. We'll do an initial impression, and I will give you tips on how to deal with ordering stuff online. All right, so tip number one, every time you purchase stuff online, you need to spray or disinfect the package. And when you're gonna be unboxing it, always wear a mask. You never know. Alright, so buying tip number two, specifically for the Poco F3, if you ordered it through cash on delivery, the best way to know if there's a cell phone inside to actually use a weighing scale. Okay, so so the Poco F3 package should weigh at around 637 grams. Unfortunately, there's no other way. You should have one of these, or the analog ones should also do, as long as you have a way to check the weight of the package. So, all right, now let me unbox it. Yeah, I actually saw a lot of people posting bad experiences where, after they open it, all they got was the box. The phone got stolen already. Or maybe they replaced the phone with something else. So, okay, so first is we got the invoice there, and then this is how it's gonna look like. All right, let me put that aside. And there is the box. Okay, so one indicator that it has not been tampered is obviously it's still sealed. There's a plastic packaging on the box. So it is the same thing. It says Poco F3, it says 5G. There we go. With easy access to Google Apps. So this is the global version. Poco F3 Night Black, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabyte ROM. All right, so let's unbox the box. You can hear it. Huh. Okay, here is the unboxing. Ta-da! So we're getting the same welcome to the Poco family card. We're getting another box with SIM card eject tool, Poco stickers, and user's guide, warranty card, and then we get, oh, what is it? Okay, so we get a Type C to 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter, and we get a TPU case. Now the phone, but aha, it's a bit lighter, huh? This is a Type A to Type C charging cable and the 33-watt charging brick. Okay, here is the phone. There it says Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with 5G 120Hz, 6.67 AMOLED display, same size as a Poco X3 Pro. All right, Dolby Atmos, and we get a 48 megapixel triple camera. Let's oh yeah. All right. Wow. Wow. It's a mirror finish. Looks and feels premium. I think this is a glass back that we got here. Let me also remove the sticker. All right, so there it goes. There you go, guys. Oh, all the way around. So the Poco F3 in 5G. I actually like the design of this one. When you use this, like telling people that I have a 10,000 or a 12,000 peso phone. And if you use this, it's like you're telling everyone that, ah, I have a 20,000 peso phone, right? It's a totally different feeling if it has a glass back because it is like no space is wasted. Like on the Poco, you feel like there's some air gaps inside or something. 197 grams, while the X3 Pro is 214 grams. Oh my, that would explain it. Okay, so let's turn this on for the first time. There we go. Oh wow, it's definitely brighter now. Screen is way better. Remember me ranting about the Google Discover page? Wow. Eh, it's it's actually way better. Right, nice. It's a nice display. So this is my S21 Ultra and this is the Poco F3. Damn. Alrighty, so I've set up the device and it's still installing my apps. I have, gone through the menus. I've even set it to 120 hertz. So initially, it's the default or stock setting is set to 60 hertz, and man, I'm impressed, man, for how much. This is like 15,000 pesos, but that was on the Lazada birthday sale. So there was a huge, I think, yeah, there was like 1,000 peso voucher plus you get 2,000 for the early bird price for the Poco F3. And yeah, it's good, man. It's good. So the screen is awesome. It's just buttery smooth. Just look at it. And I've tested the camera, the selfie camera. This actually have the same sensor as the Poco X3 Pro, but it appears that the sensor may be better, but I think it's not. It's just that the phone is displaying it better because it has an AMOLED screen. There. So if you're having a dilemma whether to buy the X3 Pro or the Poco F3, oh my gosh, this is gonna be difficult, man. It's really gonna depend on your budget. All right, I'm quite excited to test, games here, run benchmarks, and as always, share you those data and compare it with other phones, compare it with the X3 Pro and the S21 Ultra. Ah, these Chinese companies are just, it's like a game changer, I hope everybody or the other companies would follow. Like this is like a 15 to 20,000 peso phone, but then just looking at the specs, a Samsung equivalent of this is around 20 to 25,000, and their SoC is a Snapdragon 7, what was that? 732G? Uh, like what? And it doesn't have, 120 hertz refresh rate. Oh man, Xiaomi's killing it, or Poco. That's it. That's my unboxing and initial impression of the Poco F3. So if you like the content that you're seeing here on my channel, consider subscribing, hitting on the like button and the bell button. And yeah, if you have any questions or whatnot, just, you know, leave a comment down below. All right. So again, this is Ian. Ciao.